To everyone, we are glad to present to you our research entitled Project PhD, an intervention to improve pupils' academic performance. I would like to introduce to you our proponents or this research proponents, Mrs. Verna Avilla, Principal 1 of Buna Cerca Elementary School, and yours truly, Helen Grace Rodis, Teacher 3 of the same school, Buna Cerca Elementary School. So, rationale. Proper nutrition plays an important role in child's performance in school. Two factors, little knowledge on the preparation and lack of access to healthy food, make it especially difficult for some families to provide the best nutrition for children. To determine the relation of school-based feeding to school performance and promote health and nutrition awareness among target beneficiary and their families, a study entitled Project PhD or Pupils' Healthy Diet, an intervention to improve pupils' academic performance of grade 1 pupils of Buna Cerca Elementary School was conducted from August to October 2019. Action Research Questions. The study was conducted to determine the effectiveness of Project PhD as an intervention to improve the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted pupils in Buna Cerca Elementary School. Specifically, this study sought to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted grade 1 pupils in the first grading period in school year 2019 to 2020? Second, what is the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted grade 1 pupils in the second grading period in school year 2019-2020? And third, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted pupils before and after they have been exposed to Project PhD? Action Research Methods. Participants and or other sources of data and information. A total number of 21 participants composed of severely wasted and wasted pupils from the two sections of grade 1 classes of Buna Cerca Elementary School were the subjects for the study. The sample size from the section was calculated using the result of the pupils' general average on different learning areas for the first grading and second grading periods respectively. Individual participants were identified based on the result of the pupils' average rating on the first quarter and second quarter. Data gathering methods. Data used in this study were gathered through the utilization of the first quarter and second quarter average ratings of the respondents to determine the effectiveness of the Project PhD towards their academic performance. Data gathering was done from August 2019 to October 2019. Mean score was used to describe pupils' first and second quarter academic performance by getting the percentage of increase of the pupils' average ratings on the first quarter and second quarter. T-test was used to determine if there is a significant difference on the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted pupils before and after they have been exposed to Project PhD. Discussion of results and reflection. So, Table 1. Academic performance of wasted and severely wasted grade 1 pupils in the first grading period in school year 2019-2020. So, there are several columns reflected in the table. For column 1, it is all about for the number of learners. Column 2, learner's name. So, the learner's name are indicated by letters for the sake of their privacy. And so with the different learning areas and of course their respective averages. Then table 2, academic performance of wasted and severely wasted grade 1 pupils in the second grading period in school year 2019-2020. So same with table 1, the same content, but the only thing that they differ from one another is that their respective averages. And now for the data analysis for the first quarter. So, there are several columns for the descriptive statistics, then different subject or learning areas and their averages. So, mean and standard deviation are emphasized in the table because they are in red color. So, it is obvious that all the learning areas, the pupils were able to pass or to pass their subjects. Then, data analysis for the second quarter. Of course, the descriptive statistics and the mean and standard deviation. So, there is an increase for the second quarter. And let us compare for the first and second quarter. So, for the different subjects, the number of respondents, 21, the p-value, and remarks. So, using the level of significance, A is equal to 0.5. So, the overall average shows that there is a significant difference. Then, here is the table. So, or the graph rather, the graph shows the result of pupils' first and second quarterly grades. So, there is an increase in the pupils' average grades from first to second grading period. This means that there is an improvement on the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted grade 1 pupils before and after they have been exposed to Project PhD. Then for the table 5, this is the comparison of first quarter and second quarter. So, the result of the effectiveness of Project PhD, an intervention to improve pupils' academic performance, is shown in table 5. It shows that there is an increase in the pupils' average ratings during the second grading period. This implies that there is a significant difference on the academic performance of wasted and severely wasted pupils before and after they have been exposed to Project PhD using the p-value. This means that the null hypothesis is rejected since the overall average of p-value is less than the standard using A is equal to 0.05 level of significance. For the reflection, pupils under the school-based feeding program had improved academic performance in all learning areas. They can focus more on lessons when their physical need for balanced nourishment, healthy diet, as well as good health habits like proper hand washing, toothbrushing, proper eating etiquette, and eating the right kind of food are met. This, in turn, may lead to productive pupils in school. And for our references, so they are listed. And then, in general, the conduct of SBFP or school-based feeding program, if closely monitored and maximized, may result to a more productive outcome by helping a child to do more and learn more. It can also strengthen the bond between pupils and teachers. Likewise, the school's relationship with the internal and external stakeholders will also be strengthened. So, that's all. Thank you very much.